Hey guys, welcome back to section 3, carrying out private hire journey mock test. As always, to get the best out of these videos and these mock tests, prepare yourself as if you are doing the exam. That means no distractions, put all electronics away. From now on, I'm going to give you guys each, for every question, 45 seconds to pick an answer. I think that's a sufficient time to choose an answer. And in fact, if you do it within 45 seconds, it's even better, because in the actual SERU test, you'll have more than 45 seconds to pick an answer. But I've shortened it to 45 seconds, just so you can pace yourself better and ensure that you answer every question. Before we start this video, I'm going to introduce you guys to the SERU revision handbook I have created. This book is perfect for those who are preparing for the SERU exam. It has multiple choice questions from section 1 to 10, making sure you are prepared for every section. You can view this in your phone, tablet, computer, or any electronic device. You will be able to go through it in your own time. The questions in this handbook will not be on my video, so you'll be getting your money's worth. It's only £19.99 right now, so not too expensive, especially when you consider it has over 80 practice questions covering section 1 to 10. So make sure you scan the QR code right now on the screen, or use the link in the description. I will also have a QR code on the screen in the corner somewhere for you to check it out. If there are any issues with the link, I will update everyone through the comments on my videos, so make sure you guys go pick it up. That's right guys, if you are interested in my SERU course, it's only £19.99 right now. Just make sure you scan the QR code somewhere on the screen during the video, and it will take you directly to the website and you can purchase it. It has over 80 multiple choice questions, and the question on these courses will not be in my video, so it's completely worth it. So do go check that out. But yeah, we're going to go straight into it. Question 1. As a London PHVE driver, from whom can you legally receive booking? Is it A, only from non-licensed operators, B, exclusively from private individuals, C, only from licensed London PHV operators, or D, from any transportation services in London? So your 45 second starts now. The answer is C, only from licensed London PHV operators. Question 2. As a responsible PHV driver, what should you do if you have doubts about the licensing status of an operator before accepting a booking? Is it A, accept the booking to avoid inconvenience, D, decline the booking without checking, C, accept the booking and report the operator later, or D, ask the operator for the license number and verify using the online license checker tool? So your 45 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is D. Ask the operator for the license number and verify using the online license checker tool. Question 3. What restrictions apply to PHV drivers regarding picking up passengers and receiving bookings? Is it A, you can pick up passengers anywhere if you are available, B, you must pick up passengers at stations or airports, C, you can pick up passengers on the streets only during busy hours, or D, you can pick up passengers through a licensed operator and you must not suggest availability without a booking? So your 45 seconds to pick an answer starts now. answer is D. You can pick up passengers to a licensed operator and you must not suggest availability without a booking. Question 4. What is the appropriate action if a member of the public approaches you without a valid booking as a PHV driver? Is it A. Accept the passenger and ask for a booking later? B. Hand out a business card with your operator's number or provide contact details? C. Decline any communication with the public? Or D. Provide a handwritten note with your personal contact information. So your 45 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is B. Hand out a business card with your operator's name or provide contact details. Question 5. What is the responsibility of a PHV driver regarding recording information before the start of each journey? Is it A. Personally collect and record all details about the booking? B. Inform the operator about any changes in the recording process? C. Ignore the recording requirements? D. Delegate the recording task to the passengers. So your 45 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is B. Inform the operator about any changes in the recording process. Question 6. What information must your operator record before the start of each journey for a PHV booking? Is it A. Only the agreed fare or estimated fare? B. The date of the booking is made and the name of the passenger? C. The name of the driver and the registration number of the vehicle? Or D. The date of the journey, name of the passenger, pickup details, destination, agreed fare, and driver's name and vehicle information. So your 45 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is D. The date of the journey, name of the passenger, pickup details, destination, agreed fare, driver's name, and vehicle identification. Question 7. What restrictions apply to accepting fares for late night venue operators with a license? Is it A. Fares can only be accepted from people on the street? B. Fares can only be accepted if the venue is closed? C. Fares can only be accepted inside the venue at a specified location? Or D. Fares can be only accepted if the passenger hailed the vehicle from the pavement. So pick an answer now. Downside C. Fares can only be accepted inside the venue at a specified location. Question A. What is the correct procedure for PHV drivers regarding picking up passengers at Heathrow Airport? Is it A. Have a booking from your operator, park in an official car park, or wait in the PHV authorized vehicle area? B. Use the airport taxi ranks for quick pickups. C. Only pick up passengers if hailed directly. Or is it D. Wait in the local car parks or residential streets? So your 45 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is A. Have a booking from your operator, park in an official car park, or wait in the PHV authorized vehicle area. Question 9. Under what circumstances can a London licensed PHV driver in London licensed PHV perform a private hire booking outside Greater London? Is it A. Only if the destination is within Greater London? B. Only if the pickup point is within Greater London, as long as the booking is accepted by a licensed London PHV operator? Or D. Only if the journey is within the M25 motorway? So pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is C. As long as the booking is accepted by a licensed London PHV operator. Question 10. What is the responsibility of a London PHV driver concerning fares, changes in the journey, and fare disputes? Is it A. Set the fares independently to ensure passenger satisfaction? B. Inform passengers about fares during the journey? Or C. Allow passengers to change the journey details without notification? Or D. Notify the operator of any changes in the journey and inform them of fare disputes or payment issues. So your 45 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is D. Notify the operator of any changes in the journey and inform them of fare disputes or payment issues. Question 11. What is the recommended procedure for a London PHV driver regarding lost properties at the end of a journey? Is it A. Keep any found items in the vehicles for personal use? Ignore lost properties unless the passenger asks for it. C. Remind passengers to check for belongings and return any found items to the operator. Or D. Keep found items for a specific period before notifying the operator. So your 45 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is C. Remind passengers to check for belongings and return any found items to the operator. Question 12. As a London PHV driver, what should you do if you are suspicious of an unattended items in your vehicle? Is it A. Call the police immediately on 999 and follow the instructions. B. Call your operator for guidance. C. Ignore the items and continue driving. D. Wait for the passenger to return and inquire about the item. So your 45 seconds to pick an answer starts now. The answer is A. Call the police immediately on 999 and follow the instructions. So that's the end of the question, guys. Remember, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and as that comes, I need to charge my laptop. But yeah, guys, that's the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to make sure you subscribe, as I will be uploading more future mock test videos. And as remember to always revise. I wish you guys all the best in your SERU test. If you haven't already, do make sure you check my SERU course guide. It will be somewhere on the screen. Just scan the QR code or press the link in the description, and it will take you straight to my website for you to buy the SERU course. I think it's really worth it, especially if you are preparing for your upcoming SERU exam. It's a very great revision tool. You can use it in your own time. Just read through the questions. It covers all sections, section 1 all the way to section 10. So it's a great tool. Do make sure you check that out. But that's the end of the video, guys. Good luck if you are preparing for your upcoming SERU test, and if you haven't had your SERU test date yet, just make sure you keep revising, as it may come at any time. Thank you guys for watching.